Welcome to this tutorial on extension functions in Kotlin. Extension functions are a powerful feature that allows you to add new methods to existing classes. In this video, you'll learn how to extend classes with new functionality without using inheritance or modifying their original source code. Extension functions allow you to add new methods to existing classes without modifying their source code or using inheritance. This means you can enhance the functionality of classes from the standard library, third-party libraries, or even your own classes without having direct access to their internal implementation. It's a clean and elegant way to add utility methods to any type. The syntax for creating an extension function is straightforward. You start with the fun keyword, followed by the receiver type, then a dot, and the name of your extension function. The receiver type is the class you want to extend. Inside the function body, you can access the instance using the keyword this, which refers to the object the function is called on. Let's look at a practical example. Here we're extending the string class with a new function called add exclamation. This function takes the current string, accessed through the this keyword, and concatenates an exclamation mark to it. When we call this function on the string hello, it returns hello with an exclamation mark. Notice how naturally the extension function integrates with the existing string class as if it were a built-in method. Extension functions can also accept parameters, just like regular functions. In this example, we're extending the string class with a repeat function that takes an integer parameter called times. The function uses the built-in repeat method to duplicate the string the specified number of times. When we call repeat with the argument 3 on the string hi, it returns hi hi hi. This demonstrates how extension functions can be as flexible as any other function. Extension functions aren't limited to built-in classes. You can extend your own custom classes too. Here we have a data class called person with properties name and age. We create an extension function called greet that returns a greeting message using the person's name. When we create a person object with the name Alice and age 25, calling the greet function returns the message hello, my name is Alice. This shows how extension functions work seamlessly with custom types. There are 3 important things to remember about extension functions. First, extensions are resolved statically at compile time, which means the function that gets called is determined by the declared type, not the runtime type. Second, extension functions cannot access private members of the class they're extending, as they're defined outside the class. Third, if a class already has a member function with the same name and signature as your extension function, the member function always takes precedence. To summarize, extension functions let you add methods to classes without modifying their code. They provide a clean way to enhance existing types with new functionality, making your code more readable and expressive. Extension functions are particularly useful when you want to add utility methods to classes you don't own or can't modify. Practice creating extension functions to make your Kotlin code more elegant and maintainable.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.